Good morning, YouTube. Captain Dave Man here, and I'm checking in on my 30-day juice challenge, my juice cleansing, and it's day 13.5. So it's been 13 days of just fruit juice and water, and no solids, no food, and I'm really surprised that I'm not getting as hungry as more than I am. I mean, there's those times of where you really want to eat something, but just fight your way through it, and then it passes pretty quick. So today's Sunday. It says 13 and a half days, working on day 14, and today's weigh-in day. So let's go to the scales and find out how I've done. So, scale said 276 pounds, and 13 days ago they were 300 pounds, so that's really close to 25 pounds, 24 pounds, and so that's 2 pounds a day. So there's no way all of that's water weight. I don't buy that, but my cat wants to see. Come here, kitty cat. Here's my annoying cat. Meow meow. Say hi, meow meow. She is mostly an outside cat. She is our mouser. Come on, meow. But that was my real quick check-in for 13 and a half days. Really close to 25 pounds now. I think it's worth it. If I go another 14 days and I have the same progress, 50 pounds, that's kind of my goal. So I'll keep checking in from time to time, and have a God day. Trust nobody, question everything. Peace out. Just a real quick note here. Things that make my diet hard. Yeah, my wife in the kitchen cooking. My wife is an awesome cook, and she can cook anything. Uh-oh, she's hiding from me. There she is. Say hi, babe. Come here.
No.
Come here, say hi. Say hi.
I don't, my hair is supposed to...
Okay. So you don't want to be on camera. But she is an awesome cook, and it makes things very, very difficult at times. That's just my view from the side window. Pretty icy out there this morning. I guess that's global warming, right? Not. Anyhow, just my real quick side note. Have a nice day.